How to scan barcodes in Myfitnesspal app. Firstly, open Myfitnesspal app. You can see at the bottom that there is a dashboard. Click on the dashboard. This type of screen will appear. Click on this part that having search for food. Click on it and you can see here at the top that there are two options: scan a barcode and scan a meal. Click on scan a barcode. After clicking on it, this type of scanning barcodes will be appear. You can easily scan barcodes from here. Thank you so much. Just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.